What's up, techies? Today we're going to show you how easy it is to screen record on your iPhone. To start using this feature, you'll first have to set it up. Open Settings and tap on the Control Center. Now scroll down to Screen Recording and tap the green button with the plus sign. You'll want to make sure that it is included in the control section above. Head back to the home screen and you'll be ready to start recording. Open Control Center by pulling down from the top right corner. Next, tap on the Screen Record button. You'll see a 3-second countdown before the button turns red and begins to record. Here's a bonus tip. You can activate the microphone to record audio by holding down the record button. This will bring up the microphone option. To return to the control center, just tap anywhere on the screen. Your screen will continue to record until you stop the recording. To end the recording, simply tap on the record button again. And the recording will now be saved to your pictures. And that's how easy it is to screen record on the iPhone.